right, so I wanted to share with you the restoration of Fern Grotto project here in my backyard in Orlando. So there was a lot of coral Ardisia in here, and I've been taking it out over time, and I'm just about to pull the last one. So let me first show you what it looked like before. So here's what it originally looked like. This coral Ardisia, it has these beautiful red berries. It was first brought here as ornamental, but then it escaped, and now it's deep into natural areas. You can see how widespread it is, like back here in the forest, because it can really take deep, shady areas. And so I've had to pull all these out, one by one. So see how pretty this looks when you remove all the Ardisia, and it's just restored to a fern grotto. And so this is the last one. I'm not sure why I missed that one. Maybe it's under this lyonia and the blueberry, and it's kind of tough to get to, but we're gonna get it. And so the way that I remove these is I use my machete and I hack at the base of it to cut the roots, basically. And then I pull and cut and make sure you get all of it out of here. And then you can seal up the hole so nothing else grows there. So I spent a lot of time out here in this beautiful fern grotto. I'm glad I finally got the last Ardisia out. Now I'm gonna still have to pull up the seedlings, so the job is never really done. But look how pretty it is out here. Isn't that beautiful?